need for introduction. We're working with so many projects together in the IMD Technical Committee project that we know that the sky has no limits. But you are pushing the boundaries still and introducing now the grafting of the largest ever silver maple leaf. So the floor is yours. We're looking forward to your presentation. Please give him a big hand. Thank you.
Thank you, Dieter. Thank you for everyone to come here this afternoon. So obviously, my presentation today is about our maple leaf coin. Royal Canadian Mint maple leaf brand of bullion coin is respected and desired worldwide by precious metal investors. Investors, as well as coin collectors, also appreciate the beauty of our maple leaf products, which stand for their aesthetic appeal, intricate designs, and of course, high-quality finishes. The bullion coins we have, which has the legendary and also iconic sugar maple leaf design, has become a standard for our bullion products. Has become, I would say, a universal symbol of Canada, as recognizable as our national flag. On the other hand, the bullion coins also valued as some of most popular precious metal investment coins in the world, offering the exceptional value and peace of mind in all kinds of economic situations. So this year, we have decided to celebrate our silver maple leaf bullion coin, with a stunning, largest ever maple leaf design with a 10-kilo weight. So that's something I'd like to talk about with you, how we crafted this coin by overcoming some technical challenges, and how we come up with the final solution for this stunning 10-kilo silver coins. So first of all, I'd like to give you a quick journey of our silver maple leaf bullion coin. And then I will talk about the technological development for silver maple leaf coin before presenting the stunning 10-kilo silver coin, which we have brought to World Money Fair 2025 to be officially unveiled tomorrow. Hopefully you will come to see at our booth. So, should I go back a little bit? So the first silver maple leaf coin was introduced in 1988 with the design I just mentioned earlier, a sugar maple leaf design. That design has become a standard since we introduced the gold maple leaf for 1979. So we haven't changed the mainstream of our bullion products by using this standard design. Of course, through last 30 some years, we have made some other technological development, which I'd like to show you here. So as you can see, the first one is basically the 1 ounce, 38 millimeter diameter. The purity is 99.99%. Through the years, even though the overs have changed because of the overs design from late Queen Elizabeth II through the young queen to senior queens, and now we have the new monarchy, which is Majesty King Charles III. So the overs changed, but the rivers has pretty much stayed the same. From time to time, we have, of course, added some special features as the commemorative coins or with special themes for some sort of celebrations. And over the last 30 some years, probably close to 40 years of silver maple leaf coin, the silver maple leaf coin becomes very popular, which lead to a demand for some special features. Through the years, we have developed the features from different security and the purity, and also some features, including some optical features to enhance the security of the coins, and also give you some special relief from moderate relief to high relief, or even sometimes extraordinary high relief, and also from positive relief and go to a negative relief. And we have also come up with some unique patented security feature we called or branded as the Bullion DNA, which is our trademark for this line of Bullion products. And in the meantime, we also partner with our partners, Economa, to come up with some special process to precisely control the weight in order to maximize the legal compliance of weight. At the same time, maximize the cost effectiveness. As you can see from this slide, we also come up with some different preview marks and different designs and different shape of the maple leaves to enhance the or support the standard designs. So today, I'd like to introduce to you the new milestone we have achieved, which is the 10-kilo silver maple leaf coin. So that's the largest ever so far we have produced for this bullion coin. And this coin, with the diameter, of course, the weight is 10 kilo, right? So the purity is still the same as the 1 ounce coin, 99.99%, but the diameter is so far largest by stamping, which is 230.5 millimeter in diameter. And of course, the relief on the river side is again the standard sugar maple leaf, and the relief is 5 millimeter above the coin fill. So next few slides, I would share what's the process, how we overcome the technical challenges to craft this largest ever silver maple leaf coin. So of course, as all coins, no matter if it's small or big coins, you always would start, what will be the blanks that we're going to come up? Particularly if you are still going to go through a traditional minting or stamping process. So you have to say what will be the material I'm going to come up, and what shape of the blanks I should prepare. No matter the size or relief, you still have to consider to the specific design you want to achieve. And of course, you have to think about what tool you're going to come up to strike the coins, and what tool you're going to use to hold the dies and colors in order to come up a traditional minting process. So this is something we have looked into and also overcome the challenges. First one is the stamping press. And the largest tonnage press we have in Ottawa is a 2,500 tons hydraulic press from Sacher-Kissenbach. But if you just look at this press itself, it was not adequate to strike this diameter with the tonnage we have, because we're not able to change the highest tonnage this equipment would go. So how are we going to do it? We have collaborated with the Sacher-Kissenbach to say, with the current base of the system, what else we can do to make this the press suitable for this largest coin striking. So, and we're quite happy to work with them and come up with a solution. So you can see from this slide, the tooling before the modification and after modification. By doing so, we were able to use the current 2,500 tons press to strike this 230.5 millimeter diameter high relief maple leaf coins. So next slide is talk about how we're going to come up blank in order for us to not increase the tonnage, because there's no way we can increase tonnage. The tonnage is already set there, 2,500 tons. So our engineers came up with digital simulation before anything was designed. So we know what will be the final products we want to achieve, and then backwards to say how the digital simulation could give us the starting point. So what the blanks we should cast, what the process we should use to change, and also to make sure the green size would still give us a superior surface finish, like our 1 ounce bullion silver maple leaf coin. So this slide give you a roughly idea the step we came through. And the next slides talk about once we have decided what the starting material would be, and we will use a regular casting process to cast this kind of a big, chunk of silver, in order to say subsequent process would guarantee a very fine grain size. Even though the coin is very large, it doesn't mean a large grain size is something that can work for. It's impossible. You still have to have the grain size, same as a 1 ounce coin you need. So basically, this is the process we have come up. Cast a big chunk of silver and using the rolling process to make a pancake shape. The purpose of this is trying to crush the grain size from the casting and then use the recrystallization process to form very, very fine grain size, as you can see from this slide. This slide shows you how we can prepare the surface finish, almost perfect finish, before we can put this the blank into the stamping machine to achieve a superior finish. So even though we use a standard equipment from Spalek, but the way of doing the process of doing the burnish need to be modified. This slide shows you if you don't have this special process, you would get something, the effigy is still very rough. However, if you're going to modify your burnish process, and you can get a very, very shining and superior surface finish, pretty much the same as the small coins you would be able to achieve. And of course, handling this big piece of pancake is not easy, and we have to come up with different fixtures to hold the blanks in the standard burnishing equipment. As I mentioned, the blank is actually quite heavy, right? So you have to be carefully handled. And also, you don't want to create any damage or scratches on the surface before you're striking. Same time, when you're handling all the tuning, and it's also very challenging. And some of the tunings could as heavy as 85 kilogram, even though the coin just 10 kilo. So, and we have come up with different fixtures, and we also use the 3-arm robots to see how we would handle the coins. I think I may have that slides showing. Can I go back? So as you can see how this coin struck by the SNK hydraulic press, and how our operators was able to use this 3-arm robots to load and unload the blanks and the finished coins. So all the health and safety measures were taken care of during the whole handling process, from a blanket production and the finished coins. So another challenge was how we're going to come up with the die with so much canvas on the design, and also a lot of shining area. We want to make sure we have a superior surface finish on the dies. And also we still use our PVD coating to protect the die, make sure the die life still lasts. And of course, we're not striking the coin. I can tell you the minting is close to 300 pieces of 10 kilo coins. So we want to make sure we have good die life. And then we use the PVD coating. And again, earlier, and I think 2 or 3 companies already talk about the PVD process. To make a uniform PVD coating and make sure the adhesion of the coating in the center or different area would be sufficient enough, it's not that easy. It's not the same as the coating recipes you just put it in like small dice. So we had to modify our coating recipe process. Of course, how to hold the dice in the chamber and make sure the good electrical contact was sufficient enough to provide good bias during the coating process. So we work with the coating supplier, which is here. I think that they may have a booth here too. So, and we got a lot of support from our supplier, and then we come up with a good coating process for this large giant die as well. So here I'd like to show you finished products, and hopefully you will see the details. As you will see, this 10 kilo coin has all the elements like the 1 ounce coin. So you have the relief, you have the bullion finish radiation lines, but you also have serrations in whole the diameter of the coins. And of course, the beautiful iconic sugar maple leaf designs. If you, of course, have time tomorrow afternoon, I will be at our booth, and we will have this coin at our booth, of course, a whole day, but I will be there from 4 to 6 p.m. So we can talk about some technical details if you want. And I won't be shy, and I hope you won't be shy, and I'll see you at our booth. As you can see, all the elements of the 1 ounce silver maple leaf coin, exactly the same as this stunning 10 kilo coin. Last slide, I'd like to go back to the first presentation Rob did. He was talking about the AI applications, right? He mentioned AI cannot be replaced by, AI cannot replace human beings. So same thing, all the miracles cannot be possible without, a skillful team. Here's, I would like to show you, the skillful teams at the Royal Canadian Mint. They're behind this stunning 10 kilo silver maple leaf coins. So, and then last, I think the picture there, you have the comparison, 1 ounce coin and the 10 kilo silver maple leaf coins. That's all I have. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all tomorrow.